Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get fast delivery on Temu. But keep in mind that this is not helpful for all of the countries. In some countries, there is no way to get your items fast. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to add some items into your cart. I already have some items in my cart, so I will click my cart in the bottom right menu. And when you go to the cart page, you need to click checkout right here, and you need to look at the shipping methods. So as you can see, Temu is only offering me one shipping method, which is standard free shipping, and it takes around 6 to 19 business days to deliver. But in other countries, you might see another option which is called express shipping, and it costs some extra money, guys, but it's much faster than standard free shipping. So you need to choose express shipping from the list and you will get fast delivery on Temu. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.